I'm on a bus at the moment. I'm on a bus on the way to a town called Choquequirao, which is the town where I'll sleep tonight, and then tomorrow I head off on a 9-day trek, which takes me all the way to Machu Picchu via some ruins which I still can't pronounce. Choquequirao, I don't know, it's something like that. But it's some other ruins that are called Machu Picchu's sister ruins. So it's much quieter. There's hardly any tourists on the route. I think most of the time when people go, they tend to have all the ruins to themselves, and they're quite big. It's quite hopefully I'll be able to take some photos and some videos when I get there. It's quite a big trek, probably one of the most adventurous things I've ever done. I've hired a tent, sleeping mat, sleeping bag, cooking stove, I've got some walking poles as well. I've got my camera and my tripod, all my clothes, and I went and got all my food this morning, so my bag is pretty heavy. I think I'm going to feel it quite a lot, but I like a challenge. I just hope that it's a challenge I can actually complete. So I'm excited but a bit nervous as well. Yeah, I'm on the bus at the moment. I went to the bus station and they sold me a ticket, and I explained that I needed to kind of get off at this junction, which then I can get a kind of another bus to take me to the town I need to get to. She said yes, sold me the ticket, and then I got to the bus. The driver doesn't seem really happy with dropping me off there. It says it's a special VIP bus I'm on to Lima, so not supposed to be for people like me. So I mean they've had some back and forth, and I think that he's now happy to drop me off. So we'll see. Hopefully I'll end up where I need to be. So the bus did stay. Did stop at the right place. So the good thing about that is that I am on my way to Choquequirao. So I'm in a taxi. I was going to wait around for other people to join. The way it works is you get in a taxi, it's a standard fare for everybody. So if you wait for more people, you pay less. But I had no idea how long I was going to be waiting for. I could have walked, probably about like an hour and a half walk, but it was raining. Could have waited for other people, but could have waited for hours. And I just want to get to the hostel, I think. So I'm in a taxi now. So yeah, all good. Things are going to plan at the moment. I've arrived in Choquequirao. Got into my hostel, repacked my bag again, just to try and give it a bit of extra room in there. Still is heavy, obviously. I just organised it a bit. I'm staying at this wonderful hostel tonight, so it's got like a really nice view down where I'm going to be heading tomorrow. Anyway, night, day one, well, pre-day one, finished. So here I am, begun the trek to Machu Picchu. So this is day one, first 100 steps. This is at 8:45 in the morning, so not the earliest to start. I thought I'd give myself a nice rest in my bed this morning, had some nice breakfast, and set off. Hello. So first day still. Been just walking downhill for about just over an hour now. So quite easy. Feeling quite good. About a third of the way through the day. The weather's still really rubbish, and you get like pockets sometimes of kind of mountain, so it's a shame that you can't see more. I'm just at a little rest shack. But yeah, feeling good. Voila. Still going down, first day. Coming up to about 3 hours of going down now, so my legs are starting to feel a little bit like they want to go up a bit. And the good news is I'm going to start doing that. Rocking the curtains for this special video. I made it to the halfway point, well not really the half, probably more, on my first day. I've managed to bag myself a cup of tea. So I think it's only like an hour and a half, a couple of hours up to the campsite. So I should make a good time up there and be able to spend the afternoon maybe just chilling out a bit. Hello. So finished with lunch down there and set off. It's about 1:30. So, oh sorry. It took me about half an hour to get up here. I just bumped into a guy who said it was about an hour to where I'm staying in the campsite, so that's good. But yeah, very hard going. I'm very sweaty. I'm fine with like the breath. The altitude's not that high, so that's right. I don't know what it is, the altitude. It's quite gruelling, but I guess quite rewarding as well. And the sun's sort of come out, but not too much, so it's like blazing down. And hopefully by the time I get to my campsite and set up, maybe then the sun will come out and I can just sort of chill. Yeah, there's lots of bugs around, and I put some repellent on because I'm in my shorts now. So put some repellent on, and then I got more bites than I had before. It's like they like the repellent, so that's good. That'll be useful then. Yeah, so that's that, and up I go. So just arrived at the campsite for the night, and there's nobody here, and it's all locked up. The next campsite up's another 700 metres up, and I don't think I can do that today. And the alternative is to go back down to the last campsite, unless somebody turns up here, and then hopefully we can stay here. But the main thing is I beat the French, so that's a bit of payback, innit, for the World Cup. It's a fantastic view up here. I'll get a video of that and I'll show you. I'm knackered though. Hello. Here we are. End of day one. So I'm halfway up to the ruins now. But today ruined me. It was pretty hard going. And like, it's okay, because I figure, yeah, like a lot of the weight I'm carrying is food, so that will go. But it really was hard. I was sweaty as. And when I arrived here, I was just down in water. But I feel much better now. I had a little nap. I'm sure I'll be achy tomorrow, but what can you do? I've got some paracetamol, so maybe that's what I'll do. Might have a beer tonight, because one of the French fellas, who happens to be doing the same walk as me, it's his birthday. Bon anniversaire. So he's got some vodka. Don't want to get too smashed, obviously. I've got to walk up this monstrosity tomorrow. But yeah, it's good. Just trying to figure out what to do for dinner. We're staying at this campsite, but it's just this boy at the moment who is the son, I think, of the person who runs the campsite. The person who runs the campsite is not here, but I'm sure they have like hot meals available. If not, I'll crack into my supplies. I didn't really want to do that, but I guess I could. So yeah, that's it. First day success. Morning, folks. Just woke up after night one in the campsite. It rained in the night and the tent is dry. Wasn't too cold because we're not too high, so the sleeping bag was perfect. I was able to sleep without socks on, which is always nice. Air the feet out a bit. So it's just come over to 8 o'clock, so I've just packed up everything apart from the tent. I've had some breakfast, just some dry cereals. I woke up to this view this morning, so that's pretty nice. And it's a bit of an overcast day, bit misty, but that's nice because we've got a walk to the ruins this morning. So it's actually kind of nice that it's not like blazing out sun. Feeling a bit achy, but like nothing too major. That might change when I put the backpack back on. But yeah, feeling good, and had a meal last night. So this is my, because I'm vegetarian now, it's a lot harder to get. So you get instant noodles and stuff, but they've all got chicken and beef in them. So I had to get just kind of boring plain noodles, and then I bought some soups. So I had corn noodle soup yesterday with a couple of eggs in it for protein. It was actually alright. And tonight I've got asparagus soup with noodles in it. So living their life up here. This is the stuff you don't see on Instagram, eh? You just get the sunsets, but actually doing it, you get horrible walking uphill and being smelly and eating weird food. Oh well, all good. Can't wait to get up to the ruins now. Hello. So I've probably done the hardest walking for the day. Still got some more up, but I'm at this little campsite now called Malampata. And the ruins are about 3.5 kilometres more, but I don't think it's that much uphill. So out where the clouds are there, that's where up at the top of that mountain is where I started on day one. And then I made my way down. I don't know if you can see in the mountain, small kind of road, all the way to the bottom of the valley. And then yesterday, still day one, came up to where those huts are down there. That's where I camped for the night. And now I'm coming up this mountain here. So today it's about an 800 metre ascent. So it's not too bad actually. It's not hot and the mozzies aren't out, which means you can stop and have a break without getting bitten. Yeah, and it's not too warm. It's quite misty actually. So I'm really enjoying this morning. So yeah, feeling good. Just gonna carry on and get to the ruins soon and then spend the afternoon exploring, which would be really nice. So yeah, jump. Cool. Look at that view there. Just rounded this corner up here. And look at that. Got all of this, and then just round here. Can you see them? Where are they? There. There. That is what I suspect is the lower ruins. The Choquequirao, I still can't say it. Those ruins. So it's really not that far to get to them. And then I can put my bag down, set up my tent, and go exploring. So really pleased, and it's still a bit drizzly, it's like on and off. But you get like the sun coming out, and actually I think that makes the views even more spectacular. So yeah, really happy. Hola, buenos días. And here we are. Park Arqueológico Choquequirao. Hello. So I made it, put on my tent. I'll show you a bit of that later on. And just went for a bit of an explore of the ruins. Because I've got this afternoon and then tomorrow morning to explore. And really you need a whole day, I think. So I actually raced back up there to try and get some more photos of the ruins as a whole. I couldn't be bothered when I was coming down the first time because I had all my big rucksack and everything. But so I've arrived at part of these ruins, and I got all of them to myself. There's no one else here, so it's pretty epic. That's the sun setting over the mountains in the distance, and then these here are just like a small section of the ruins. So you've kind of got different layers, and these are the steps that you go up and down. Very steep, not for the faint-hearted, this one. Yeah, the whole thing is pretty steep. But yeah, amazing. I'm not really sure how the Incas built this. Hello. Just sitting on a bit of Incan wall. Maybe the wrong way, eh, for this bit of footage. I don't want it all to fall apart. Oh, sorry, peep show. Okay, so here I am. This is the sun setting over the Choquequirao ruins. End of day 2. So like a really good way to end it. I'm at these ruins. These are kind of like the biggest part of the ruins. So I've just spent maybe like half an hour to an hour exploring them. I wish I had more time, but the sun's going down. Yeah, got a good campsite for the night. Do have some time tomorrow morning to explore the ruins, but I mean, if they're shrouded in mist, I'm not sure if that's going to be that fun. So I might just kind of set off for the next campsite. So we go up and over this hill, and then it's a lot of down walking tomorrow. So yeah, good. Very lucky to kind of be here on my own for this. Yeah. Ciao. So I made it back to the campsite. I just took a cold shower, and it's water that comes from the glacier at the top, and yeah, it doesn't warm up on its way down, so it was freezing. So I've got my David Beckham long johns on, got my new llama top, got my new woolly hat on. I'm gonna make myself some hot food, and I'm probably just gonna get a really early night. My body just needs to like completely chill out, and you know, like all the aches and stuff. I think just like lying down and not doing anything is the best plan. So yeah, really successful day 2. I might try and get some video of my food later on because it looks absolutely rank. Got me fixed cup because it snapped, so I've wrapped it in LX tape. Got my tea bag in there, cinnamon and cloves. Got me gas going, so my water's ready, and then got me asparagus, soup, and my noodles. Tidy. Asparagus noodle soup. No eggs because I had the eggs for lunch, so just noodle soup. Not the most filling, but I think in like a couple of days. I mean, today we walked past like a little village, and they were selling hot food. Very tempted, but I thought better to eat my food that's in my rucksack now. And I think in like 2 days' time, there'll be some more villages. So in the next 2 days, there's like absolutely nothing, because this is, most people come to these ruins and then they go back the same way. Not very many people then go on to Machu Picchu. But I think in like 2 or 3 days, it rejoins one of the popular routes to Machu Picchu. So there'll be more villages, more food. So it'd be nice to have some proper food. But maybe I'll have to wait a little bit, maybe a couple of days. But yeah, anyway, there you go. Yeah, see you later. Looking forward to day 3.